guys, it's me, Lily, and today I will be showing you my big stack of my toys. I will be showing you all of them and then have a white basket that is filled with books. So that will be for last, and let's get started. So the first object that I have is this playing ball. You can stretch it in, you can stretch it out. It's really cool, really fun. But I got this from a claw machine, and it's really fun to play with. You can do all sorts of stuff with it. It's really cool. So, yeah. So there's that. There's the toy pile that I'm going to be putting all my toys in. And what's next? Aha! Here is my Squishmallow narwhal. It's very fun to play with. I love it. It's like so squishy. Okay, here comes the squish. Oh my gosh. I love Squishmallows. They're the best. Now, we also got this from a claw machine too. Now, what should I pick next from the random bucket? Ooh, oh my goodness, this is like my faves. So, this is my puppet. Hello, my name is Henry. Yes, his name is Henry. He absolutely loves saying hello to the video. Hello, guys. My name is Henry. Yeah, Henry, we already know. You told us. Oh, well, I told them. Well, you just sit right here and watch. But I want to open with you. Sorry, not today, Henry. Bye. Bye. Okay, now Henry's acting weird today. I'm going to pick out of my random bucket. Oh my gosh. So, this was from Build-A-Bear. And this is a very old plushie. Indeed, but I still love it. It's really cute with the style. It even comes with a cute little red scarf, which that's my favorite part about it. Very cute, very fascinating, super cute, very fluffy. It has a super neat texture. The scarf, it's a little bit ruffly inside. It feels really good. Okay, there. Which toy should I choose next? So, this is Millie. Hi, I'm Millie. I'm Millie the mermaid. And I love swimming in the ocean. I love it. It's my thing. Okay, Millie, you didn't have to say that out. I like it. And, Lily, tell all your subscribers that they need to be a mermaid like me. Oh, silly Millie. Okay, I'm gonna go swim in the ocean. Bye. Well, that was weird. Trust me, I have a lot of stuff. Okay, Now this is from LOL Dance Dance Dances. It's one of the dance cards. Boop. And it's called Disco Fever. And it's like steps on how to do it. So what you're going to do is you're going to do this. You're going to do this, and then wobble your feet too. But I'm not going to do it because I have to hold the camera as well. Now I'm going to pick out of the pink basket because I haven't. My puppet. Hello, puppet. Now this is Sus. Hello, Lily. Today I'm the imposter for Among Us. Cool. Yeah, I know, right? Yeah, cool. Well, I gotta go get some people. So, wait. Sus, yes. Would you like to say anything to the fans? Remember, always play Among Us. Bye-bye. Well, he's acting weird too. Now time to pick out of the blue. Oh gosh. Oh, here's Dora. Hello, I'm Dora. Dora the Explorer. I can't find Boots today, Lily. Do you have any clue where he went? Sorry, Dora. No. Well, guess I'll have to look for him. But remember, fans, watch Dora. Bye-bye. Bye, Dora. That should be thrown out. I don't even know why a piece of cardboard. Ow! Oh. Hey, Violet. Hey. Today I've got a cheer for the Wolfies. Woohoo! Yeah. Have you seen Bun Bun around? I was just getting ready to show her. Oh. Okay, well then I'll wait her for the cheer group. Bye. Wait. First, do you have anything to say to the fans? Of course I do. Always cheer. Woo! Okay. We've got a cheer on the Wolfies tonight. Woohoo! Did anybody know where Violet went? Oh yeah, she just passed Bun Bun. Ooh, okay. Well, see you later. I gotta go to cheer camp. And fans always cheer, like Violet said. Okay. Oh, my goodness, this is gonna take forever. Hi, Lemon. What do you want? Hey. Do you have any doggy food for me? Yeah. Go. It's in the big kid room. But why does it always have to be in the big kid room? It takes forever to get in there. And I can't reach that kitchen counter. Well, sorry. You're going to have to deal with it. Bye, then. And fans, Lily is crazy. Okay. Bye. Well, while he's doing that, wait. What is it? Lemon? Can you please go get it for me? Now, go! Hold on. Now I'm going to pick out of this basket. hey, Snoopy. Arr. Hi. I'm sleeping. Nice. Cool. Have anybody seen my pink pillow? Sorry, dude, but no. But I'm tired. Dude, you're gonna have to go look for it. Why do I always have to do this stuff? Well, you're a puppy, you know? And you're bound to be a responsible adult, Snoopy. So, go find your pillow by yourself instead of thinking about sleeping. Okay, bye. Fans, always go to sleep. That's not true, Snoopy. Don't always go to sleep. Well, don't always go to sleep, but just go to sleep. Well, he's always acting funny or crazy. Has anybody seen Dora? Hey, Dora passed a couple minutes ago. Boots. Nice, but I'm gonna have to swing through the vines to find her, and I already did that. Why do I have to do it again? Just go ahead, Boots. Bye. Here is my camera. Cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. I love this camera because it's really cool, and you can actually once you look through this, you can actually see pictures, but I can't do that because I would have to get the camera close in and you wouldn't be able to see it. So yeah. Hi, it's me, Sparkles. Hi, Sparkles. What do you want? Can you take me to Fairy Village? You know where Fairy Village is. No, but I haven't seen you in such a long time. Well, come over after I finish my video. But I have a question. Yes. Can I help you get all the other toys out? Sure. Sit on my lap. Yay, thank you. No problem, Sparkles. Can I pick the one out? Sure. I'm gonna pick this one. Hi, Dahlia. Oh, hi, Sparkles. Where's my baby crib? I don't know. You go find it. But Sparkles, I don't know where it is. Fine, then just go sleep in my bed at the fairy garden. Okay, bye. Can I pick out another one? Sure. Okay, nice. Oh, goodness. No, you're going to want to stay tuned for that. I'm excited. Now, look at this little cutie. Hi, I'm Uni. Did you remember me? Oh, Uni! Naughty girl. Sorry, guys. Why do you have to knock down the camera, Uni? But I'm sorry. I don't need to do it. Oh, really? Yeah, really. Yeah, really. Oh, really? Yeah, really. Okay, bye. Woo. Sparkles? Yes? Can you please just go back home? No, I want to still open. Just go. Bye. Whoa. Now Sparkles out of the way. Now I finally get to peek. Let's take to the sky. Whoa, sky? Where are you going? Have to save somebody with Ryder and Chase. Come on, please. Just let me go. No. you have to say, "Oh, hello, Van. Nice day." I know. Yeah, it is really nice. I'm gonna feel hot after this mission. Well, no job's too big, no pup's too small. Yeah, that's true. Let's take it to the sky! Okay, bye, sky. Ah-dee-da-dee-doo. Ah-dee-da-dee-dee. Ah-dee-da-dee-doo-doo. Do-do-do-do. Snow White and Jasmine. Hi, girl. Hey, girl. What are you doing, Jasmine? Oh, nothing. Me and Snow White were just trying to play. That Snow White was poisoned. Oh, well, I may have fixed her so that me and her could have a play date. Oh, nice. Okay. Snow White, come out. Hi, guys. It's nice to see you again. Nice to be not eating that apple. So, remember, always twinkle, sparkle, and twirl. Now goodbye. Woo! La-dee-da-dee-doo. Guys, we have a lot to go through. Hi, Duck. Hi. I have to hide all the Easter eggs. What's the matter with that? Well, aren't all the kids gonna see me? Well, they're not in your world, so I don't even know what you're talking about. Fine, bye. But if one of the kids find out that I'm hiding Easter eggs, Duck, I hope you know you're on video. Vance, I'm sorry. I didn't say Easter Bunny. Yeah, bye. That was a close one. Oh, Duck, always trying to act crazy. Who's that? Hey, it's me, Devanisha. Devanisha, what are you doing here? Nothing, I'm just glamorous, aren't I? With my glittery, sparkly hair. Tonight is the night. What night? Today is the Royal Queen Bee Champion. And Queen Bee is obviously gonna pick me. Well, good luck and bye. Walk your fashionista strut. Guys, watch my fashionista strut. Wee, okay. I gotta look beautiful. So I just gotta climb down safely. Okay. Hallelujah. Daisy, what are you doing? Nothing. I'm just practicing my ballet. Arabesque. Now do a flip. Oops. Sorry, still practicing. It's okay, but tonight we're gonna have to do some ballet lessons. Of course, I'm ready for anything. Oh my gosh, stop, baby. You're gonna get your tutu all messed up. Okay, bye. Woo. Practice on those arabesques, because that is not how you do arabesques. Okay. And that's not either. Paw Patrol! Arr! Has anybody seen Sky? Zuma, she walked past maybe, I don't know, along. We were on a mission, and then Ryder had called me down because Mr. Mayor, he's stuck. So, Mrs. Mayor, she's stuck. So, we have to help her. And I need to use my water booster because she's stuck in a boat. So, bye. Whoosh! Elmo's always fun. Nay! Nay! Hi. I'm Elsa's horse. How could you forget? Sorry, Spirit. Now you remembered my name finally. I'm gonna go to Elsa and tell her what you did. I didn't do anything. What are you talking about? I love my Elsa, and I would do anything for her. So, I must go. Waves ride me. Woo! Okay. And it's the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Come inside, it's fun inside. Hey, Mickey car. Oh, hi. I was just doing something. Well, what were you doing? I was just playing. But what? I must get going now. I have to meet Minnie at a super cool tea party. Bye. Bye. Oh, how these have been driving me nuts. SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob SquarePants. Hi, SpongeBob. Oh, hey, Lily. Nice to see you again. Ha 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 ha. So funny. Your name, Lily. Ha ha ha. You think it's funny? Yeah. Oh, SpongeBob, 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 SpongeBob. When will you ever learn what? That you're crazy? Bah! I'm gonna go see Gary. I haven't fed him yet. You haven't? You normally always feed him. Well, today I was playing with Sandy. Ah, nice. But you always feed him. Okay, bye. Woo. Okay. Now I can't do all of these other tours or else they're going to take forever. And so... Oh gosh! So, here are all the books. So, the first one I have is My Favorite Foodles. Now, I found this at Pedro's Mall Pathway Memorial. And it was only $1. I found this at Walmart. It's Dragon's Fat Cat. And then how much it was $4.99, $5, easy. And here's the textual about it. It says, Dragon has a new cat, but he doesn't know how to train it, and he doesn't know what to feed it. Taking care of one cat is a lot of work, but Cat has a big surprise for Dragon. That's the index. Now this is Grandma's purse. Grandma's purse. And it says, what is inside Grandma's purse? No illustrator does clothes, decor, and style better than Brantley Newton. The New York Times. An excellent treat for grandkids to share with their own grandmas and grandpas, or the way around. Kirkus Reviews. A heartfelt homemade brown girls introducing grandmothers. the Horn Book. I have a lot of these. I have a lot of Skippy John Jones. I have Watcher. I have a lot of them. So I'm going to be going through Skippy John Jones. Color Crazy. This was from our Nana, so that's why it says Nana. And this was by Judy Censor. As he learns his colors and has fun with crowns, Skippy John Jones invite the very youngest fans to join in the magic that comes of a playful imagination. Coloring has never been so much fun. What do you wish for? This is called What Do You Wish? It's called Pink Wiggly Pig. What do you wish for? And the index says, what does a pink wiggly wish? What does a pink wiggly pig wish for? A gooey, slushy mud puddle, of course. Find out what other farm animals are wishing for in this charming and engaging board book by my favorite author, Marie Richmond. Super cool. Skippy John Jones Shake Up. Hold on. Skippy John Jones is an active kitty boy. He invites his amigos along as he runs in a circle for his salsas on a square and orbits in an oval. Working out has never been so much fun. The Watcher, Jane's Girl Life with Chips. A Boston Globe Best Children Book of the Year. Oh wait, this is not the index. Here's the index. It says, you have to be patient if you want to learn about animals. And now these two I'm not going to do because they have really long ones. But yeah, that's all that And thank you for watching. Have a great day, and remember, always have fun. Bye!